Glass factory here, right here at the heart of Italy, Venice.
No possible access. Okay, please take your photo and videos now. Mr. Alessandro is going to make for you a beautiful caraffa, a wine decanter. Okay, using the oldest technique of Venice, this is called the glass blowing technique. It blows through the around pipe to shape a beautiful piece for you. It is more or less the same technique to obtain drinking glasses, vases, or beautiful chandeliers. Okay, more or less the same. He's working glass, and it is this composition. The raw materials are silica sand, sodium, potash, and antimonium. The temperature of fusion of the glass inside the oven is 1040 Celsius degrees. Very high temperature. Venetian glass, it is famous all around the world because it is still handmade. What does it mean handmade? Using only simple tools. Zero pipe, scissors, pincers, plastic with some water. Okay, no machine pieces. You will not find machine pieces exactly the same. It looks like the same, but it's a little bit different. It is impossible for the best master.
You finished it? I watched it on TV.
That could be a beautiful flower vase. Okay. We need the second step of work now. Second step of work. He will make you the top of the caraffa, and after that he will stress the glasses to make the handle.
Dopo, aspetta un attimo, gli anni aggiungi, no? Forse che serve. Grazie poco.
C'è tu il capo.
Grazie a te, grazie a te.
It's very important to know there are no schools in universities here in Venice to learn this kind of job. This is still a family tradition. There are still now some secrets about the techniques of work or about the colors, always pass it down from father to son. Sometimes from neighbor to neighbor. You like it? Everything looks very easy. It is easy just for him after 24 years of experience.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the temperature, 1040 Celsius degrees. Now it's not possible to shake it anymore. Okay. But it is still very tough. I mean, it is very, yes, hot. Hot, of course. Please, we have to recycle the glass, otherwise it will break for the change of temperature. It's very important the cooling process. Okay, in the factory, of course, we have the oven. Here, no, it is a smaller room, it's not possible the production. Okay, but in that oven we put the items 24 hours to cool down the temperature slowly. Okay.
How many years is the Morano Glass Factory?
More than 1,000 years old.
1,000 years old. Wow. So you're here.
Our history about the glass, yes.
You're part of the family. You're managing this.
Yes, me and my family, yes, but I'm not a glass master.
Okay, he is. And where did he train here?
First generation.
Oh wow, fourth generation.
Okay, 24 years of experience. He is very young, but he started very young. 14 years old, and then you can calculate the age.
Wow, this is fantastic at the Venice Glass Factory. You can see all the amazing work.